Okay, today I'm going to show you how to replace the screen assembly on the Nokia Lumia 1020. And here I have a Lumia that dropped flat on its face, probably onto a small piece of rock, and shattered the entire screen. And here I have a screen assembly that contains the touch screen, the LCD, and the frame. It's a little bit more expensive to buy this assembly together instead of just replacing the touch screen digitizer. The LCD underneath of this is still good, and it is only the digitizer screen that has been shattered. However, it is a lot of work and a lot of hassle to remove the broken glass from its attachment to the LCD. And for me, time is more important, and I avoid the hassle by buying this original Nokia screen replacement with the frame, so everything will be easy. First, I need to pop the SIM card out of its socket here. I accidentally turned on the phone, so I have to turn it off before I do any work. So I'm going to start with this side, which is a lot easier. Just pop it open. Yeah, like that. Took like 2 seconds. Okay, now lift up the frame and pull it up. Now you can see there are two connectors. One is over here next to the top, and another one is closer to the bottom. So just want to gently pry it open. Okay, there, the broken screen has been removed. So there's one thing you have to remember, that is to remove the camera, the front-facing camera, from the frame of the screen you just removed. So you have to be really careful not to damage it. And okay, pop it out of its place. Okay, and do the same thing for this piece here, which is glued in place. Be very careful not to damage it. Okay, now the double-sided tape has been removed. Okay, and now I want to mount this camera onto the new frame. It should be pretty easy. Okay, and looks like it. So now I'm going to connect the two connectors. Before I put the frame back in place, I need to test it to see if it works well. Okay, now I can turn the phone back on. the Windows logo, and now you're inside the phone. Okay, looks like the graphic is good. Touch screen works. Okay, alright, now let's check the camera. Okay, now it's on the back camera. I'm going to switch it to the front camera. Front facing. Okay, it looks like it works. Alright, so there. Now I just have to put the frame back and everything is ready to go. Now this is back in the frame and you can see it looks really good and the screen works fine. So that was an easy repair. Just remember to get the whole screen assembly to save yourself time. Even though you spend a little bit more money, it's still worth it.